After my angioplasty operation, gives me trouble. Okay, it's fully numb right from my hip to my knee. So when I ride, the pain goes away.
ग्लव्स किधर है?
சோம்பேறி மாதிரி வீட்டுல தூங்கிட்டு இருக்காதீங்க, காலையிலே எந்திரிங்க.
हम जा रहे हैं मलसूज घाट along with my friend Kishore, who is going ahead, and we'll meet one more person who is in Vikhroli, who has already came, man. You know, Vikhroli में खड़ा है, so we will catch him and we'll go. So this is a plan. Okay, so he is in Triumph, we both are in KTM. Okay, this is going to be a fun ride because first time I'm going with this guy, and early morning, you know, it's a pretty decent one, man. You have to be very cautious about this big boys, because you know this is a see, right now he has given the indicator when I was very close to him. So this kind of, you know, things we need to avoid. What a beautiful morning, man. You see this? Sunrise. Wow, that's awesome. You know, after so long I'm going to the mountain, man. Kya maza aayega. You know, it's 130 or 140 kilometers one way, and we are going via Nashik, 61 NH. Some traffic, but ठीक है, अभी नहीं है. अभी ये क्रॉस कर देंगे तो फिर मजा आ जाएगा. See, early morning, you know, अकेला राइड करना बहुत मजा आता है भाई. I think you people should understand that feeling, because ये जो बोलते हैं ना, you know, क्या करेगा तू राइड करके इतना, you know, अकेला जाके इतना स्पीड में जाके, and you burn all that fuel. You know, that feeling is something different. Nobody can understand that, you know. That machine ka आवाज, you see that fog, you know, it's well, what a view. Early morning, you know, sunrise देखने में इतना मजा आता है ना bro. You know, बस you need a bunch of goons with you, that's it. मजा आ जाएगा bro. मजा मतलब मजा आ जाएगा. You know, there are a lot of people who are going for the ride, Sunday ride, but you know, this side I see a less crowd, but there is a little bit of traffic in and out because of all these trucks and other private vehicles. So we have to be very cautious, or you know, especially when you are around the trucks, you need to be very, 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 very careful. Why so much worry? It's because of, you know, these guys, you know, they jump left and right, and they are the big vehicles, so at the end of the day the blame will be on us. So nothing to worry, just be careful and ride, that's it. Enjoy the location, man. Enjoy the scene. ऐसे तुम लोग को कब देखने मिलेगा? जब यू आर इन द रोड, ओके, यू विद दिस मशीन. कौन सा भी मशीन चलेगा यार, लेके आ जाओ बाहर, घूमो, ऐश करो, और क्या. मेरा सामने वाला राइडर का ग्लव्स मेरे पास है, और तू गांडू को पता भी नहीं जा रहा है. रुको, उसको बोलेंगे ग्लव्स की तरफ पूछेंगे उसको. 4 किलोमीटर तूने दूर डाल के आ गया। ग्लव्स किधर है? ले अंदर रख, अंदर रख। मजा आ रहा ना बाबू खड़े रह के चलाने में। That's why you need an off-road bike, bro. So, here I think there is a little bit of construction is ongoing, so that's the reason, you know. There is a diversion. Only the problem is, you know, standing. आपका जो acceleration है, that needs to be controlled. That's it. वो कंट्रोल में रहेगा तो बाकी सब ठीक हो जाएगा। कहना चाहूंगी तो तुमसे क्या कहूं। So we are now in the Ghat session. The Kalyan cross करके we are going. You see all this tree which is dried up, but when after this there's a monsoon, so तभी तो इतना मजा आएगा ना ब्रो। पूरा ग्रीनरी रहेगा and it's quite different vibe all together. बहुत बहुत मजा आता है इधर। The thing is only the rain, you know, that is a little irritating because once you get wet, you know, वो सुखाने के लिए बहुत irritating होता है, but ठीक है, that is not a problem. But you know, the only thing is अभी राइड करने का मजा अलग है और तभी राइड करने का मजा अलग है, which you need to consider. लेकिन बारिश के टाइम बहुत मजा आएगा ब्रो, बहुत मतलब बहुत मजा आएगा। बिकॉज अभी रोड का कंस्ट्रक्शन भी चालू है। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली यू नो नेक्स्ट ईयर एवरीथिंग विल बी सुपर डुपर रोड। मजा आ जाएगा चलाने के लिए गाड़ी। यू नो वी डोंट हैव स्टॉप एनीवेयर। अभी तो थोड़ा बहुत डाइवर्शन है उधर इधर, ठीक है, दैट इज ओके बिकॉज ऑफ द रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन। तो वो भी हो जाएगा 1-2 साल में, नॉट 1-2 साल, उसके पहले होना चाहिए। MTC बीच बीच में ऑन हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मट, यू नो, ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल। तो pretty much good bike man, futuristic bike, not futuristic bike. तो ये अभी थोड़ी देर के बाद अभी शायद धूप आएगा, बट द क्लाइमेट इज वेरी चिल दिस साइड। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
So right now we are in some hotel. Just taken a small break, and today we have 3 members with us. I'll tell you who all they. One senior member, one my friend Kishore, and that's it. Myself. So let me tell you. Let me show you what all bikes we have today. So this is my KTM, and this is my friend's one, and this one Tramp. So we have Ajay sir with me, so he is a senior. In chai, less sugar. Okay. Come sugar. Sakar kami. And you will have anything like food?
I'm not supposed to eat spicy.
Okay.
Even vada pav is spicy for me.
So inka, I will tell you what is the condition. He got surgery, bypass, endoplastic. So Ajay Pereira, who's a senior,
It is just a
number. If you're
I am
watching,
57.
so my father just crossed 62. So he's just I'll tell you, you know, while going, we'll once we reach the destinations, then I'll tell everything about him. Okay, especially when you are looking, you know, you're saying that, you know, मेरा age हो गया है, मेरे को घुटना दर्द देता है, मेरे को छाती दर्द देता है, you know, there is lot of things which you need to consider in this ride, especially when this kind of seniors are with us. Okay.
After my angioplasty operation, okay, my right knee gives me trouble. Okay, it's fully numb right from my hip to my knee. So when I ride, the pain goes away.
So
When I ride, the back pain goes away.
that is a magic. Hero.
சோம்பேறி மாதிரி வீட்டுல தூங்கிட்டு இருக்காதீங்க. காலையிலே எந்திரிங்க சீக்கிரமா. வண்டி இருந்துச்சுன்னா எக்ஸல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா எடுத்து ஓட்டுங்க. புரியுதா? வாழ்க்கைய என்ன பண்றது, என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. சரியா? அதே சரக்கு அதே தம்மு லைஃப் இல்ல. இதுதான் லைஃப்.
So right now we have ordered 2 misal pav and 1 vada pav for. So we are
After my
heading.
operation,
We are heading towards
After 2 weeks.
Malshich.
without telling my wife, I went out and bought it back. And this time I booked the KTM. I did not tell my wife that way.
Yeah, from where you brought. Illa, Tamil you understand?
No.
No. Okay. From where you bought this tramp?
Prime showroom, Jogeshwari.
Jogeshwar.
Shaman.
So he knows every in and out. He was.
I was going to buy the Tiger 900.
Okay.
Okay, my second bike. But then after that, I read bad reviews about that. One bugger took it to Ladakh, and the bike failed him completely.
Right.
And other people also, the bike failed. So then I,
MSK va.
MSK I think.
No. He took the bike right now, right? But previously also there is a bad review for that. Because the service centers also they have the bad. They have a bad review. அதனால கொஞ்சம் பிரச்சனை இருக்கு எல்லாம்.
that's why I booked 390 now.
So, but Royal Enfield Worley,
He are best.
he
And
got
we
the
always give the
best,
best service to the customers.
See, he's my childhood friend, okay, and you know
From fifth standard we are together.
we are together. And this guy after 10th he went to the technical part, you know, into the mechanical part. Then we went to the engineering part. So after getting the new bike, I came to know that he
college.
I was in Francis Xavier, Tirunelveli, Vannarpete.
I did
Bombay, IIT Bombay. Hey, IIT Indra. So we have IITians with us.
Diploma from Bosco's Borivali.
So he has completed all that. So we have our guys. So first time we are riding with Ajay. So
many more rides.
many more rides to come and get inspired from him. Okay, I'll on the way I'll tell you all the stories, what exactly happened and how we met and all. This bugger I know. Chaddi buddy. From 5th standard we are together. बीच में गायब हो गए थे because of the studies and all. He got busy with the professional life, and after that where motorcycle got us together. So because of that KTM, I got inspired to buy one. Previously I had a Royal Enfield, but speed, power देख के me और नाल छोड़ना देर में you said one day कि मेरा KTM लेके जाएगा तेरे को power एक दिन का चस्का लग गया तो एक दिन चस्का लग गया.
So we are getting off from this hotel after a short break. So बहुत जल्दी पहुंच गए हम because of this bad boys. इसलिए बोलते बड़ा बाइक की जरूरी है. It doesn't feel anything. That's a good part, So अभी पूरा घाट है घाट. We are going to Malshich Ghat. So the road is quite good and we will cruise now because cruise control है इतना तो फिर. But the thing is this is not an highway, तो अभी वो थोड़ा difficult है, तो थोड़ा कम कर लेंगे. ये तो मेरे को पता था इधर एक बड़ा होटल है. This hotel last time we came to एक है उधर एक waterfall है बाजू में, मलछिज घाट के बाजू में. तो we had a delicious food over there. तो हम जाएंगे क्रूज करके बाबू भैया. मजा आ रहा है क्रूज कंट्रोल का. रोड बहुत खराब है बाबू भैया. बहुत नहीं, कुछ साइड and you know it's all ghat area and totally forest one. So मजा आ रहा है चलाने के लिए, but रुकेगा तो you know it's sweating like hell because it's 9:30 and थोड़ा गर्मी अभी उतर रहा है. You see all these mountains which is looking brown, but when you are coming in, you know, monsoon, it's fully green. Okay, so अभी पूरा सूख चुका है. बारिश के वक्त इतना मजा आएगा ना bro. I'll show you that comparison video of Malshij and Abika and while in the monsoon. Hi, it's super duper, man. The same road, the same mountain looks very dangerous and very greenery. You know, when you are coming in monsoon. तभी तो from here if you'll go, there is a Kallu waterfall. रोड बना दिया मस्त. So ये waterfall superb it was, and it's all dried up now. You see all these mountains, so we have to go to that place. Actually ये घूम के वैसे ही जाता है. सेपरेट एक्सपीरियंस है. अभी गर्मी में आना है सेपरेट एक्सपीरियंस. ठीक है. So right now we are in Malshij Ghat. If you'll see, that is the point where last, if you'll see in one of the video, we might have done some reels or something. So वहाँ से hair flow ऐसे, you know, it flows like this. You know, it backs you off. बाबा. Now it's all dried up. तो अभी in monsoon बहुत मज़ा आएगा. अभी जब बारिश गिरेगा तब पब्लिक भी रहेंगे and your you will feel good. मानसून में
10 तारीख तक मेरा बाइक आ जाएगा.
हाँ, तो मज़ा और मज़ा आएगा इधर.
थोड़ा 5-6 दिन ब्रेक इन के लिए रखेगा उसके बाद.
ओके.
हमको खाली 5-6 दिन लगते हैं
बस. So everywhere construction is ongoing because they are building or repairing something. अभी के लिए that is okay. And when it's monsoon, I think it should be clean. So ये शायद ये mountain के पीछे ही कल्लू waterfall है. I think so because we came from this circle from down. So most probably ये mountain के पीछे होना चाहिए. I'm not sure, but ठीक है. Next time if you are coming, then I'll show you. We have parked all our bikes over here. अभी इतने लोग नहीं हैं तो इसीलिए ज़्यादा एक्सॉर LS2 एक्सॉर KTM ट्रायम KTM. ठीक है. फिर बंदर लोग का थोड़ा इशू है बट ठीक है. आज तो कोई नहीं है बंदर. So most probably this will be our last stop because चले तो बहुत गर्मी है बट ठीक है मज़ा आ रहा है. मालशेज घाट में इतना रश नहीं है बिकॉज आई थॉट लॉट ऑफ राइडर्स वी मेट गेट बट नहीं है इतना. ठीक है. एंड वी डोंट वांट टू ईट मसाला आइटम सो अगेन मिसल पाव and after this we'll go. So this is going to be our last stop. Thereafter we are not going to stop anywhere. Jacket
everything today.
Yeah, just chill. Where is your bag? It's 3:20. In just 2 hours we have reached home, man. Good. ठीक है, so आज का दिन समाप्त. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Daniel Lodge Motor Vlog. मेरा चिक्कड़ हो गया. ठीक है, इसको ढक के रख के भी कुछ इशू नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम मतलब कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. सो बेटा लेट इट बी ओपन. हाँ बड़ा सनग्लास इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैन.